There's a quiet voice within you, a soft whisper that doesn't shout. It simply knows. In a world full of noise and constant information, this voice often fades into the background. Yet it's always there, waiting for you to slow down, to listen, to trust. This is your intuition, your inner compass. Today we'll explore how to recognize it, how to strengthen it, and how to let it guide you toward a calmer, more aligned life. Intuition is not magic, and it's not imagination. It's the deep intelligence of your body and mind working together, quietly beneath the surface. It's that sudden feeling of knowing something is right or wrong before you can explain why. It's the calm certainty that helps you choose without overthinking. Every person has intuition. It's part of being human. But most of us forget to hear it because we're too busy thinking. The more silent your mind becomes, the louder your intuition speaks. Your intuition doesn't argue. It doesn't use long explanations or logic. It communicates through feeling, a sense of expansion when something is right, a tightness or resistance when something isn't. It's often the first instant reaction. Before your rational mind jumps in, you might feel it in your chest, your stomach, or as a sudden peace. The key is to start noticing. Ask yourself throughout the day, how does this feel inside my body? Over time, you'll learn its unique language. This is one of the most important lessons. Fear and intuition can both feel strong, but they come from very different places. Fear is loud, urgent, and full of anxiety. It says, hurry, do something now. Intuition is calm, grounded, gentle. It says, you already know. Fear closes your heart. Intuition opens it. When you feel a decision pressing on you, pause, breathe, ask, is this voice pushing me from fear or guiding me from peace? The more you practice this question, the clearer the answer becomes. Like a muscle, intuition grows stronger with use. Quiet time each day helps. Meditation, journaling, being in nature. These moments create space for your inner wisdom to rise. Try writing a question in your journal, then pausing before answering. Notice what your first instinct says. Don't judge or analyze. Just listen. You can also strengthen intuition through your senses. Feel the ground under your feet. Listen to the rhythm of your breath. Watch sunlight moving across a leaf. Presence invites intuition to speak. Intuition isn't just for big spiritual moments. It's for daily choices. What to eat, who to call, when to rest, when to act. If something feels light and peaceful, follow it. If it feels heavy or draining, pause. This simple awareness changes everything. Your relationships, your health, your path. Life starts to flow with more ease because you're aligned with your natural rhythm. Trusting intuition doesn't mean never thinking. It means letting your thoughts serve your heart, not control it. Your intuition is your inner light. It never leaves you. Sometimes it whispers, sometimes it shines brightly. When you learn to listen, life becomes simpler, softer, clearer. You begin to move not from fear, but from trust. And that is true wisdom, to live in harmony with the quiet guidance that has always been within you. Pause, take a deep breath, listen. Your inner voice is speaking. Can you hear it? Thank you for visiting my canal. Take a deep breath. Your intuition has always been with you, quiet, patient, and wise. You don't have to search for it. You only need to listen. The more you trust it, the clearer your path becomes. Thank you for sharing this moment of stillness and awareness. Stay peaceful, stay present, and always trust your inner voice. Thank you for watching and sharing this space of stillness. May your days be filled with trust, clarity, and light. If this message touched your heart, support the channel with a like, a comment, or a simple act of kindness. And remember, your intuition is the voice of your soul. Listen often,